Hey there, it's Elizabeth O'Brien from Grammar Revolution, where we help you teach and learn grammar the easy way with sentence diagrams. And today we are talking about how to make your last name plural, a subject that many of us will be grappling with as we make our holiday cards. Now, you have two options when you're signing your holiday cards. You can either use the plural version of your last name, like the O'Briens, or you can use the singular version of your last name plus the word family, like the O'Brien family. If you choose to use the family version, then you are done. Just put in the singular form of your last name plus the word family, and you have your signature. Now, if you want to make your last name plural, here's the scoop. For most last names, you just add S. So Waldman becomes Waldmans. Kennedy becomes Kennedys. For names that end in CH, S, SH, X, and Z, you add ES to make them plural. So Jacobs becomes Jacobses. Marsh becomes Marshes. Now there is an exception to this rule. If your last name ends in CH, but it's pronounced with the hard K, like in the word monarch, then you just add an S rather than an ES. So monarch would become monarchs with just an S. Now that you have the plural version of your last name, all you need to do is put the word the in front of it. The O'Briens. And you're done. One last thing I need to say is resist the urge to use an apostrophe. We never use apostrophes to make last names plural. So, if you don't like the way your name looks in its plural form, like Joneses, for instance, then use the singular form that we talked about before, the Jones family. Don't use an apostrophe because we never use apostrophes to make last names plural. I hope that this makes it a little easier for you to make your holiday cards this year. And if you'd like to learn more about teaching and learning grammar the easy way with sentence diagrams, you can check out our website at grammarrevolution.com. Thanks for watching.